welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be the third part 3 of our family trip during March 2020, and it's the Tiruchendur vlog. So if you haven't watched my other videos, part 1 and 2, I've given the link in the description bar. Make sure you check them out. It's very fun filled and do not miss it. Please go check there. And here comes. So the part 3 is going to be, it's our wedding anniversary. It's on 7th March 2020, wherein we finished our all puja process in Rameshwaram and we just left to Tiruchendur via Thoothukudi. So you are seeing the Thoothukudi on via, it's on the highways, and I don't know whether you can see, it's a salt fields which is very popular in Thoothukudi or Tuticorin, like Thoothukudi, it's very popular. So on the way you can see many salt fields, and we just traveled there. Like, it was wonderful sight there. So we reached Tiruchendur by evening 4:30 to 5. We reached there, and this is the room. It's a suite room wherein we have 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom, but 2 rooms with a balcony, and it is very, it was very good, especially except the only one restroom, we had only 1 washroom. So apart from that, it was a very good spacious room. We have already, as I mentioned in previous vlog, we already booked everything a week ahead. So it was very good. We didn't expect something which was there, because they had a Masi Ther Thiruvilla on the next day of our visit, and it was heavily crowded and all the rooms were booked. But luckily, as we have already planned in advance, we got this room. So it was very good, we did that. So always I recommend you to plan in advance and book the rooms before starting the trip. So once the room check-in and refreshing is over, we started to the temple. So it was just 2 kilometers away from the temple. It is a main town. It's a bus stand actually. The opposite is the bus stand. So if you are coming through buses, it's very good. You can stay in this hotel. It's the Hotel Chakravarti, and there are many hotels here. So you can very well check out other hotels also. Then once I cross there, we have autos also, and that is one good part, I would say. As I mentioned in all previous vlogs also, we didn't take any rooms close by to the temples, because it will be heavy, crowded and parking problems, so it goes on and on. So we just stayed 1 to 2 kilometers away from the main temple, so that we'll take up our auto and reach there. So he charged, it's a big auto rickshaw, he charged 100 rupees for us. It's based on the number of the person. If you are 2 adults, it's going to be 50 rupees. If it is going to be 4 adults, it's going to be 100 rupees. So they charged in that basis for some reason. So we took the auto, and it was quite fun filled, because kids enjoy going in autos. So we thought 2 in 1. So we thought we'll give them a wonderful experience in autos. So we took there, and just a 5 to 10 minutes drive from the hotel. So this place, you have all facilities, hotel facilities. You have got bus stand. So if you're coming through bus, you can very well check here. But Tiruchendur temple has a parking facility also, but we don't want to stay there, and we are very lucky to just plan our trip in advance, stay in advance. Otherwise it will be very tough to get a room there. So we didn't expect it is very it's to be very crowdy. So that was thing. Now enjoy our vlog here. So it was very good traveling in autos, and we thoroughly enjoyed it. Now we reached the temple. There's a barricade. You have to walk just 250 meters from this barricade, but it's okay, but it's not a big deal. Like, we got on there and we just walked inside. You've got all shopping places here, especially hotels and small restaurants. Everything is available here, so you can very well enjoy your coffee or cool drinks or something here. It was a Masi, as I already mentioned, it was a Masi Ter Tiruvilla. It's a temple car Tiruvilla festival, so it was heavily like crowded. You'll be seeing that in a minute. And but we just had the darshan within I think 1.5 to 2 hours. Like, we finished our darshan. We went in the special entrance, so we could finish it earlier, but everything was well organized. They had a well good organization also. And I cannot take, as it is very common here, I will not be able to shoot the video inside the temple, as they are not allowed. And some basic information here is, men need to remove your shirts before entering the temple. You can wear pants. It's not compulsory to wear a dhoti, but you're not supposed to wear the shirt. So you should be well prepared before going there. You have to remove your shirt and you can have some. So as you've heard, there was many functions, many things were going on there, and it was very nice because we haven't visited during this time. So it was an like unexpected thing. We didn't think of it, but it was a great thing. So by the way, like as I mentioned, just take a chal or something if you want to. Like if you're uncomfortable without a shirt, you can use a thing. Now once the darshan is over, we went to the beach. It was quite crowded, as I already told you, but like this place didn't have much crowd, so we thought we'll use this place to enjoy. Like, it was like almost a Paurnami, I guess. It's a full moon day, I guess. So it was very nice time spending there, and we enjoyed a lot. So you'll be seeing in a while. As it was a important festival day, the whole night it was open. So here there is no restriction of timings, unlike like the Rameshwaram. So you can visit any time here. I hope you hear the sounds of the waves. The kids enjoyed a lot, but though they were a little bit scared of water, they enjoyed a lot. And I hope even you enjoyed this vlog. It's a small vlog. There's more places to see, like Valli Guhai, there's a Tirtham, because as I mentioned, it was very crowded. We don't want to just go there, so I couldn't take this. Hopefully, if I'm visiting again to this place, I'll just give a detailed thing on this place in future, probably. I think I hope you all like this video. If you did so, please give me a good fat thumbs up. And this is the end of the vlog, or wedding anniversary vlog. So thank you, bye.
Okay, phone. Phone நினைக்கிறீங்களா? உனக்கு அதுக்கு மேலே பிடிச்சிருக்கு.